What's up guys? In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to fix incorrect, faded or missing colors from your Epson XP-2200 series printer. So guys, in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to run a head cleaning for your print heads to improve the print quality and hopefully get things running smoothly again. Now, if you guys don't know what that is, it's basically where you get some ink from your ink cartridges and you kind of run them to your print heads, which are the things that the ink comes out of, just to get things moving. They might have gotten dry or clogged, so this can help with those issues and improve your print quality, help fix any lines or missing lines on your prints. And yeah, so let's get into it, guys. So the main thing you need to make sure of, guys, is that you do have enough ink in your cartridges to run this process. Now, I don't know exactly how much it takes, but if you are using your starter cartridges, then it probably won't have enough ink. You'll probably need at least like a third of your ink cartridges filled to be able to do this. And if you try to do it without enough ink cartridges, it just won't let you. So make sure you have enough ink cartridges in. And the first thing we need to do, guys, is make sure our printer is on and ready to print. So the way to do this, guys, it's actually pretty easy. You literally just hold this button down for 5 seconds, okay? So once the on button starts flashing, that means that the print cleaning, head cleaning is starting. Now, if you see this, if you see the ink button or symbol flashing orange, it generally means you don't have enough ink to start a head cleaning. But what I would also recommend, guys, is just do not turn your printer off until this button stops flashing. Otherwise, you will do it during the head cleaning process. However, you can let go of this button once the on button starts flashing. Now, guys, I'm going to show you another method on how to do this if this isn't working for you, which is to do it via the Epson Smart app. So, guys, if you aren't connected to the Epson Smart app, I would suggest checking out the video in the description where I show you exactly how to do that. It's a very simple process, guys. It takes around 5 minutes. I'm not going to do it in today's video, but unfortunately, guys, I am using the starter cartridges, so I don't have enough ink for the head cleaning. But guys, once you connect your printer to your mobile device, like I said again, guys, check the video down below to do this if you haven't done it already. I would suggest doing this even if you aren't doing a head cleaning, as it is very useful to have. You can see here, it just says print head cleaning. So just click on that and then press yes, and then it will start your head cleaning. And guys, this will take around a couple minutes, not too long, as it's just a regular head cleaning. Unfortunately, on these printers, you can't do anything else. So it shouldn't take too long, maybe 2 to 3 minutes. And then, yeah, it might print a nozzle check afterwards so you can see if there's any progress. Now, guys, I will warn you, do not do more than 3 of these in a 24-hour period, or you risk damaging your printer, okay? And if you find yourself needing to do like 3 of these every day just to get a little bit of quality increase, or you're not getting any quality increase at all, then guys, I would recommend maybe taking your doing a manual print head cleaning if you can, or taking your printer to the shop, because unfortunately it doesn't look like things are going to work out. But that is it for today, guys. Thank you very much for watching. If this did help, consider liking and subscribing, as that would help us out so much. And yeah, that's it for today, guys. If you have any other problems or questions, feel free to leave them in the comment section down below. We will help you guys out as soon as possible. And that's it for today, guys. If you are in the need for any printing supplies, guys, make sure to check out our sponsor in the description as well. They're a global printing supply store. They do really good deals on everything you could need for your printing journey. And you would be helping out a small business, and you'd be helping out us. But thank you guys very much for watching. I'll see you in the next one.